So we have two persons. One is Tyson. Tyson velocity is called V1. Okay, 1.25 T. Okay, then Maurice, the velocity is oh, sorry. Negative T. Yeah. Okay, now who is traveling faster after 2 seconds? This one, part A. Obviously, you find V1, 2 and V2, 2. Then you get the value, then you will know who is running faster after 2 seconds. Okay, that one I will leave it to you. Okay, part B. If you integrate, the value I will leave it to you to sorry. You integrate 0 to 5 V1T dt. Okay, what does that mean? Can you interpret? Okay, can someone give me the answer? Interpret.
Is it the displacement of Tyson from 0 to 5 seconds?
Okay, displacement of Tyson from 0 to 5 seconds. Okay, any others? Chian?
Yes, Miss. Yeah, displacement from 0 to 5 seconds. Total distance travel.
Okay, total distance travel by who?
Tyson.
After? Instead of saying from 0 to 5 seconds, you will say after 5 seconds. That will be a better one. Because you say, who is traveling faster after 2 seconds? After 5 seconds. From 0 to 5 means after 5 seconds. Got me? So that will be the answer. Okay, so now, if I ask you to represent this in a graph, so how are you going to do it? You have the graph, correct? I keep repeating this. It means that in the exam, you will be asked. Okay, so Tyson, start with 10. No. 0. Okay, start with 0. Maximum ego is 10. Am I right? So that is a horizontal asymptote. Maximum is 10. So this is what happened to Tyson. So if I want you to represent in the graph, so which part must I shade? The area here. So exam, I will ask you to shade the area. Okay. So this is the total distance traveled by Tyson in the first 5 seconds or after 5 seconds. Yep. So to find the displacement function, do you know how to find? Do you know how to integrate this? Hello? Do you know how to integrate? Class? For Tyson? Do you know how to integrate this?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, may I know why you say you don't know?
Just confused.
What do you mean just confused?
Like what to do?
Like, for example, what do you mean what to do? Do you have all the formula with you?
No.
So I can help you. You see, you know you need to learn how to integrate. You know you can bring in one-page handwritten notes. Why don't you write down all the formula now? Why must you wait until tomorrow, got the exam today only I write? You see or not? I don't understand your young people. You know the thing is important, yet you don't want to do it. May I know why? Which formula is important? 10 is a multiply, so I can put the 10 outside here. Okay, 1 is a constant. Take away exponential. So you see, so I straight away come up with my formula. If I integrate a constant with respect to x, I will get a constant times x plus c. If I integrate a number times by an exponential to the power of bx plus k, I will need to copy down the whole thing. Then I divide by the coefficient of x. So if you didn't master the formula and you don't have the formula beside you, how are you going to use it? So that's why it says you cannot say, I cannot remember, because I allow you to bring in one-page handwritten notes. Okay, so please apply the formula. And get it the answer done. Okay, then I can do it like that. So this will be the answer. Okay, divide by negative 1.25. Can someone give me this in fraction? 1.25, 4/5. Am I right? Thank you. I'm not good in mental arithmetic. Yeah, 4/5, not 5/4. I flip it the other way around already. Okay, so same go with Maurice. Maurice, okay? So that one you go and integrate. You can get the answer from the back. Okay, so plus C. So what you can do is, we can say, okay. So let me continue. Let me continue in the next one. Spacia S 1t is equal to 10 t plus 4/5 e to the power of negative 1.25t plus c. Okay, what you can do is you can start with, the starting point is your origin. You can do it like that. So you can say when t equal to 0, s 0 equal to 0. So then you can find your C. If not, it doesn't matter as well. Let me see whether they got find the C value or not. Go on. That is 5B. They do. Okay, so it will be 0 equal to 10 times 0 plus 4 over 5 e to the power 0 plus c. So 0 equal to 10 times 4 over 5 plus c. So your c is equal to -8. Yep. That is how you go. Okay. So for Maurice, I let you do it by yourself. Okay. Who is winning the race after 3 seconds? Who is winning the race? Okay, okay, I might as well give you. Do I need to give you the answer for S2T? The one you can check from your book. Okay, now, who is winning the race after 3 seconds? So what should I do with this? Okay, can someone tell me? What are the information that I must find? Who is winning the race after 3 seconds?
S13 and S23.
Okay, I can use S13, S23 if I don't want. Is there any other way?
VT.
How to use VT? Uma? How can I use integration?
Integrate VT.
Integrate. Okay, how to integrate? Okay, give me the expression. Okay, if I integrate, you got the calculator, correct? Integrate from what to what?
0 to 3.
0 to 3, V1T dt. I get this value, right? Then I also integrate 0 to 3, V2T dt. Okay, then I get the answer. Okay, you can use your calculator, FNINT, am I right? Okay, may I know what is the answer for V1T? For both V and S, V and V1 and V2 not integrate S. You cannot integrate S, okay? Okay, the first one is 22.2. The second one? Okay, 21.5. Okay, so who win the race based on this? Tyson. Okay, Tyson win the race. Okay. Can I? So after 3 seconds, Tyson has traveled 22.2 meters, but Maurice only traveled 21.5 meters. So therefore, Tyson win the race after 3 seconds. Okay, so now show that Tyson complete the 100 meter in approximately 10.8 seconds. Okay, now, how am I going to do this question? They use the word show. So the moment they use the word show, so what can I do? Okay, can someone suggest me what should I do? Yes. I cannot equate S1 equal to 100. I can do so and try to find the T. But in this case, because they say show, then I can sub in as 10.8. Then I try to find the value. Okay, then I plus minus 8. Okay, so I count. See whether I got approximately 10.8 or not. I got 100 meter or not. Do you get that? Okay, what is the reading here? After you type in 10.8, hello? So that is how you do show. You don't have to, when you talk about show, you don't have to solve this. You don't have to solve this. You don't have to solve this. If you want, you can, but don't have to, not necessary. Yeah, do you get approximately 100? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, approximately 100. So you don't waste your time doing this when you come to the question of show. Okay, who will win the race? Okay, so now who will win the race? So time taken by Tyson, you know already, correct? Is 10.8 seconds. So now what must you do? What must you do? You have to find the time taken by who? By Maurice, correct? So now how to find the time taken by Maurice? Still remember yesterday, one of your friends asked how to solve. So what I need to do is I need to integrate. I put this into solver. I integrate from 0 to t that I don't know. V to t dt equal to 100, correct? Then I use the solver and try to find the t. Can you please go to your solver and try to get the answer? Can you get the answer? So solver is a very good tool to use, huh? Cindy, can you get the answer?
I'm still calculating.
Still calculating. It takes some time. Okay, have you got the answer? Cannot get the answer.
I got 10.5.
You got 10.5. It should be around 10 there. So you should put your T as 10. So you got 10.5. Thank you. Can you all get that?
No, it's still loading for me.
How come? Are you using the newest graphic calculator?
Yeah, TI-84 plus CE.
Should be okay one. Should be quite fast. It shouldn't be so long. I'm using the older version. It's also fast. Okay. Anyone in the class still don't know how to use solver? Can you please let me know? Hello, young people, all know how to use? Cindy, you got the answer?
Yeah. My one is 10.52.
Yeah. Okay. So please ask, solver is very useful. Okay. So learn how to use it. Okay. So who will win the race? Obviously. Yeah, Maurice. Okay. Can I? Okay. Now, just now, some of you say you got problem. Which problem you have? Please let me know now. Hello? No problem. No problem. Then I can end the class already.
Mister,
Yes.
for part E,
Okay. For part E, yes.
can you integrate 0 to 10.8 V1T?
Can. You write down the expression.
Oh,
Okay. For this one, you can do integrate. You write down. You must write down. You integrate from 0 to 10.8. Then you put V1T dt and you get approximately 100. You write down the exact value that you get. Can. No problem.
okay.
So that is not the only answer, only way. Yeah. But you just don't have to solve this. Okay.
Miss,
Yes.
can you show again how to use the solver? Because my one I do it manually and I use another one, I use the solver. My answer is totally different.
Okay. What do you mean by you use manually? You solve this manually.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to solve this manually means you have to, okay. You didn't get 10.5 from your solver.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have your V2 in your Y2?
Yes.
Okay. So I repeat how to use solver again. I repeat. So when you want to use solver, okay, first of all, hold on. Okay. When we want to talk about solver, you know where to look for solver, correct? So when you go to solver, you will come out with two, the one, E1, E2. Got not?
Yeah.
So your E1, you have to write down this 0 to X V1T. That is in your Y1. Okay. I write exactly what you suppose. May I know, is your V1T in your Y1?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So I just write at the side. Hold on, Y1 is your V1T. Okay, you key in already. So here you call out Y1. Then here you put DX. Okay, you got that? Then your
Yes.
E2 you put 100. Then you press OK. So there will be a X value here. This is not the answer yet. Remember, this is not the answer yet. Okay, so you can put whatever number you like. But in this case, we know that Tyson take 10.8, correct? So it's good to just put 10. So this is not the answer yet. So now you go to alpha. You press alpha. Then press enter. Then your calculator will start to search for the answer. Is there an answer?
Yes.
So that is the
Thank you.
procedure. So you have to follow. So if you want to check whether there is another answer or not, you put in another value for X, then you try to press repeat alpha, enter again. So solver is only nice to use if there is only one answer. You get me?
Yes.
So that's why cubic, correct? I will still prefer you to use your scientific calculator. Okay. Anything else, class?
Yeah, can you, I found the question. Can you
Yeah, sure.
go to page 134?
Page 134. Yeah. Okay.
And
then
can you explain the example 5?
okay. Okay, what do you want me to explain on example 5?
Like the whole thing?
Okay, what do you mean by the whole thing?
Like explain the working.
Which working you want me to explain?
Like finding the area of the region.
Okay, when you look at the area of that region, what is in your mind? You have to tell me. I cannot tell you. You have to tell me.
Is it integral?
Why I have to do integral? The moment
Find
you
the
say area, you have to do integral. You see? So when we talk about area bounded by the curve and the axis, there is a very different thing. This is area bounded by what? Okay, if you look at this shaded region, first of all, you have to ask yourself, okay, how do you define this? Is area bounded by, okay, what is the difference between this area and this area? Okay, how do you define this? Okay, this one is area bounded by, okay, put it in words. And this one, put it in words. Then you tell me what is the difference. Okay, can someone give me, how do I define this?
Area bounded by a curve.
Is it by a curve?
The top is two curves.
Yeah. area bounded by the curves y equal to x squared plus x minus 2 and y equal to x plus 2. All right. So this is area bounded by two curves. This one is area bounded by the curve y equal to fx, straight line. I think I have to come up with one question whereby I ask you to describe the area in words. Straight line. Straight line. X equal to A, X equal to B, and the x-axis. So you see, you have one boundary here. One boundary here. Two boundary here. That is the side. Third boundary, third side. And this is the fourth side. For this one, you only have two boundaries. The first one, that is this one. And the second one, which is this one. So, when you talk about area for this, the bottom one, we can use definite integral to represent it if the area is above the x-axis. Am I right? So you see, so you see where I put the boundary. This is the first one, second one, third, and the fourth. And this one, area bounded by two curves, we have to know the intersection point first. We have to know the intersection point first. That is this one and this one. Am I right? From your book, this is -2 and this is 2. So what you do is you have to integrate from that 2 limit. The top one minus the bottom. Am I right? So the top one is 2. Equation 2. The bottom one is equation 1. That's it. So it doesn't mean that all the area, you have to see how the area like. Area bounded by two curves. Or area bounded by a curve and a few straight lines. Are you okay? Yeah, the person who asked, are you okay?
Miss, why does the top have to minus the bottom?
That is the formula. If you don't want, you can. That is the rule. If you take the bottom minus the top, you will get a negative value. If you don't want, this one I also can solve by another way. That will make your life much difficult. Let me show you how I solve by another way without knowing top and bottom. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, This question is doable. Okay. Anyhow, I have to get this one first. This is 2. This is -2. Okay, so now, first of all, if I want to find the blue area, okay, this area. Okay. So here, this equation is called y equal to, I can give you the same answer, y equal to, wait, y equal to x plus 2. Okay, so that means this point is 2, 4. So the blue area is, so this area, can I say it is a triangle? Sorry. It's a triangle. Triangle. My triangle, the height is 4. The width is also 4. From -2 to 2. Okay, it's also 4. Take away. Okay, so I'm going to draw. This is my x-axis. This is the curve. Take away this part. This is y equal to x squared minus x plus x minus 2. So this one should be, okay, x squared plus x minus 2, factorize x plus 2. Okay, this one should be 1. So I can do it like that. So here will be 16, take away, 16 divided by 2, or take away, integrate 1 to 2, x squared plus x minus 2 dx. So I got 16 over 2, take away, okay, integrate. One to 2, okay. 16 over 2, take away 8 over 3. So this will be 8 over 3 minus 2. Take away 1/3. Minus 3 over 2. Right? Then you can work it out. Okay. So I got the first part. So the bottom part, the red color. Okay. So the red color, you just need to integrate from 1 to -2 x squared plus x minus 2 dx. Yeah, I also can get the answer. After you do it, you will get the answer exactly as 10 and 2/3. Okay, may I know why I put 1 at the bottom and -2 on top?
Because the curve is underneath the x-axis.
Yeah, because the area is below the x-axis. So I can do it like that. Or you want to trust the formula, say it's always the top minus the bottom. Up to you. You see how troublesome is it? Compared to if I straight away integrate like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So sometimes is like that. You don't keep asking. People have come up with a formula. I know it's no harm of asking, but if every single question we ask like that, I tell you, we can't finish our work, and you can't finish your work to prepare for your exam. So at certain point, you have to learn to accept the formula. So that's why I say all the formula given to you. If we got time, I will derive the formula. But because of the time constraint, I cannot go through everyone with you. So you just have to accept it. Okay? So remember, area bounded by two curves. Please look at page 133. That is the way to do. The top curve minus the bottom curve. Always do like that so that you get positive. Sometimes in the exam, they can come up with the question like that. They ask you question like that. Okay, I can set a question from here. Yeah, I should turn this into one of the questions for instead of telling you now. Okay. They can ask you, if I integrate from -2 to 2, yeah, x squared plus x minus 2, take away x plus 2 dx, fill in the blank, 0. Okay, you give me. You select which one? Okay, you select which one? If who select number 3, Miss Do really have to quit already as a teacher. So the choice is only 1 or 2. So which one you select? Yeah. 1 or 2?
What?
This one definitely is out. Huh?
One?
Okay, you choose 1. Why you choose 1?
Wait, let me solve this. I'll be back.
Area must be greater than 0, correct? But do you see here? This equation, this curve is this one. This one is the top. So the answer will be negative.
Oh, okay, I see this.
You see or not? I should play around with you with this. I give you all the multiple choice for the last question. I also can do it the other way around. You see? I also can change my question to be like that. Okay, you see, I can change my question. That's why if you understand the concept, all right, I can change the question like that. I put the -2 on top. And I put the 2 at the bottom. So now which one?
Wait. Positive greater than 1.
It's negative and negative, right?
Yeah, negative and negative, so become?
Greater than 0.
No.
It's positive.
Yeah, it become positive. Negative times negative become positive, so it's greater than 0. You all get what I mean?
Yeah.
So you see, that's why this is all your analogy inside your mind. Can or not? Okay, that's why I say Max is very creative. You see, sometimes you look at, we look at the question like, hey, these are something that I will explain to my student. Why my students still cannot do? It's because my student don't see relationship like that. I've been teaching Max for 30 years. I've been learning Max for 50 years. Okay. Do you know, I just watched one of the videos say, when you talk about Max, you must play with it. You must play. You twist and turn around. If it's like that, what happened? If it's like that, what happened? Okay? Can or not, class? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so the concept is, go back to the basic concept. Top minus bottom, from lower to upper limit, I will get a positive value. If I twist bottom minus top, I will get negative. If I twist the limit, it will become negative. So negative, negative, it go back to positive. You see or not?